Open the Colors panel, hover over your shape's default color, click the More Options icon and duplicate it. Then, double-click to rename. Here, Box Color. Select your shape, head over to the Properties panel and assign the box color. Then, go to the Automation panel, click Variables and the Add icon. Double-click to rename and click the Edit icon. Under Variable Type, select Single Select List. Next to List Items, click the Add icon. Add as many items as you want to list. Then, copy-paste the name of the colors you want to add. Side note, you can drag each item up and down and click the More Options icon to rename or delete them. Lastly, go to the Actions panel. Click the Add icon. Set the trigger to Variable Value Changed and select Box Color. Go to the Action tab and open GraFx Genie. Then, enter the following prompt. Change the box color according to saved colors. Click Generate. When the code has been generated, click Create. Double-click to rename your action. To test your color list variable, go to Run mode. You can now select a color in the dropdown.